Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the Vulcan Report. This is a midday report, just taking a snapshot view of what's happening in the markets right now. And you can see here the dollar is coming off, and it's apparent what's going on here. We're pulling back now, as I showed you, getting toward the, I would like to call it the base of the Kumo cloud, which is the top half, which is forming this support line here. So it still has some more downside to go. Probably going to get closer to that 95 handle. Right now, this is still on the daily chart a bullish pattern, but the strength of the pattern has been broken because you're in a downtrend channel now for negative pulse wave, and price momentum is increasing to the downside, as you see here, getting into the oversold portion of this market right now. It should be noted that earlier this morning, about an hour or so into the trading session, bonds and the stock market and crude oil were moving together to the upside. They were all trending higher together. Now we have a situation of a reversal coming into play, at least in the stock market and in oil. So total different situation going on right now, but the bonds are still strong for right now. As you can see, it's in a pulse wave negative scenario. As you can see, it was pulse waves positive, then it tested the trend line. Now it's bouncing back up, so it's trying to get back into a pulse wave positive from a negative situation, but it's going to need to move up a little bit more and take out the 140, 151. So it still has a little bit more upside to go here in the bonds. As you can see here, the Dow has turned negative, not by much. This is still narrow range inside day type of trading action. Really nothing to write home about. You can't call this a top yet. You're in a negative pulse wave scenario in the daily chart, but it's still not necessarily a top, as you have seen before. All right, gold is coming off a bit. Right now it's up $6.80. It's still strong on the day. It's still an upward thrust. Still not overbought. Has a long way to go to do that, and is in a positive pulse wave situation on the daily chart. All right, GLD though, on the other hand, is coming off. It's in the red right now on the daily. And it's just not a whole lot going on today for the most part, kind of quiet. All right, looking here at the gold miners, also coming off, but it's trading well off the lows of the session right now as it gets into the overbought. And it did hit a new high today of $31.69. Those of you who are watching the video, I did get a question. I'm going to have to do a Q&A video also. A question as far as what was the ticker symbol for the miners. For the gold miners, it's GDX. And you can always see the ticker symbols in the left hand corner of the screen right here. This right here is the ticker symbol, GDX. The junior miners is GDXJ, which is going to be our next chart we flip to now. All right, so that's GDXJ. This is the junior gold miners, and here's the ticker symbol right here on the left. Hit a high of $52.36 today. Still strong off the lows of the day, getting in the overbought. Not a big deal there. All right, looking at Pretty Ricky, Richmont Mining. Again, ticker symbols in the top left-hand corner right here. It's RIC. And Pretty Ricky's coming off a little bit more. Right now we're at 1035, and we have an intraday low of 1022. And the high of the session was 1063. So picking up a little bit of volatility there. Oversold, trying to correct, trying to get a little bit of momentum into play there. Struggling a bit, probably going to come down to the 947 trend line support before getting back bullish again. So we'll have to wait and see. When I say get back bullish, I don't mean that it's bearish. Again, there's no sell signal here on this chart. I'm just referring to the downtrend channel, the profit taking channel. Remember, we exploded from way back here. Okay, so it's just a little bit of money coming off the table. Not a lot, just a little bit. All right, someone asked me my opinion on Barrick Gold, ticker symbol ABX. All right, so as you can see here, Barrett Gold's at $21.80. It's well supported on the daily chart at $20.80, which is $1 away from where it is, and it's just dancing around the first wave of support at $21.50. So this one, it looks very strong too. It's in a positive pulse wave situation, which is what you want to see, and it's above the Kumo cloud. It looks just like Pretty Ricky a little bit. It's a powerful chart. It looks really good. And it looks like 24 is going to be our first line of resistance, somewhere around 24, 24.50. And this looks strong. This is what you like to see. All right, let's take a look at one last one. Newmont. Ticker symbol is NEM right here on the left hand side. Hit a new high today at 46.02, and this one looks very strong. This is probably, this looks like Pretty Ricky did before the pullback. Looks very strong, very powerful chart. Looks like it wants to head toward 50. That's the initial target for right now. And this one is just really solid. It's well supported on the daily chart at $43.10. All right, looking now at the silver futures, it's green on the screen, well supported at $19.58. It's almost as if the mainstream media is watching my videos, because I declare, man, as soon as I put that video out, the first thing this morning I'm seeing on the news feeds talking about the incredible strength of the bull market in the miners. I think it's hilarious, so imitation is the highest form of flattery. So I'll take that. I'll take that. Not a problem. All right, so $19.58, well supported on the silver chart. Get into the overbought session right here. So got to take it for what it is. Doesn't mean it's going to become bearish all of a sudden. There's nothing bearish on this chart. It's very bullish. But again, healthy pullbacks are good. You're testing support. You already did it here, so there's no reason why we can't hit 21. Maybe even by Friday. Let's see what happens. All right, looking at SLV, still remaining strong. It's off of the highs of the day, but it's at $19.16 right now, hitting into the overbought territory, but still strong, still bullish. All right, looking at your silver miners now, well supported at $49.09. Hit a new intraday high today of $53.90, and we're in the overbought range here as well, but looking really nice and strong on the chart. All right, looking at the junior silver miners, well supported at $17.36. And again, ticker symbols are to the left here. It's SILJ. All right. SIL is the silver miners. SILJ is the junior silver miners. All right, and well supported at $17.36. So markets for the most part are looking pretty powerful, and we'll have to see where we close on the daily session. So I'll see you at the end of the day with the end of day report. Remember, bulls make money, bears make money, but what? Pigs get slaughtered. So take what you can and give nothing back. And come on over to the website. Links are below the video, and register so you can get the pulse wave price triggers for the week and all that good stuff. All right, peace.